Century City is a much-awaited sprawling mixed-use development rising on Kalayaan Avenue in Makati City. A fully master-planned vertical village of residential condos, a state-of-the-art medical arts building, and an exciting new shopping complex, Century City is home to a number of breathtaking luxury high-rises, the first of which is the Gramercy Residences. A truly awe-inspiring skyscraper at 72 floors, it is the tallest building in the entire Philippines. The Gramercy is inspired by the bold sensibilities of the great city of New York and its towering skyscrapers that define its skyline. It also draws inspiration from Gramercy Park, an ultra-exclusive private park in Manhattan that is a hallmark of sophistication, privacy, and privileged city living. Of course, constructing the country's tallest man-made structure is no easy task, but Century's more than 2 decades of excellence and award-winning real estate experience has ensured that the project proceeds smoothly with completion right on schedule. The Gramercy topped off at 72 floors in January 2011, offering an unparalleled view of the Makati skyline from a vantage point that has never been seen before in the country's history. The interior finishing is currently being completed, and the building is now truly beginning to take a life of its own. The Gramercy Residences at Century City will be turned over on December 2012 to residents who are so very excited to move into this exclusive new address. It will definitely